Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this lecture, I would like to explain another example based on the Clapeyorn's theorem of three moments. See here, a continuous beam consists of three consecutive spans of 8 meters, 10, 6 meters, carries loads of 60 kilonewton per meter, 40 kilonewton per meter and 80 kilonewton per meter respectively on the spans. See here, already I draw the diagram based on the question. So this is AB of span consists of 60 km per meter on 8 meter span. Similarly, BC 10 meter span 40 kN per meter, and similarly CD 6 meter span 80 kN per meter. So this beam will be solved based on the Clapeyorn's theorem of three moments. So you please take down the equation. What is the equation? MA L1 plus M2MB into L1 plus L2 plus MC into L2 equal to 6 A1 X1 by L1 plus 6 A2 X2 by L2. So this is the general equation for the Clapeyorn's theorem. But already in the last example also I showed very clearly, whenever UDL is given, you please simplify this formula will be W1 L1 cube by 4 plus W2 L2 cube by 4. Okay, in place of 6A1 X1 by L1, 6A2 X2 by L2, you just take this formula directly. MA into L1 plus 2MB into L1 plus L2 plus MC into L2. So you please make use of this formula directly. Already I explained in the introduction class itself, and previously I solved one more example based on this model. But that is two span continuous beam, 1 and 2. But this one will be the three span continuous beams. So what is the difference you will find here means, whenever at the simply supported ends, if it will be two span means what happens, both MA and MC you will get 0. So MB will be directly obtained based on the equation. But here MD also given 3 span. At that time what happens? You will get both the moments MB and MC. So 0 moments will be MA and MD because of the simply supported ends. But here there will be two unknowns you will get. So at that time it is difficult to solve the two spans, three spans at a time in this equation. So here there will be only two span moments like L1 and L2. But in the first equation, whenever we are solving, you will get both the unknowns MB and MC one time. Similarly, again we have to take this Clapeyorn's theorem for the next two spans BC and CD. At that time again you will get one equation MB and MC. Based on the two equations, we have to obtain two unknowns MB and MC. So that is somewhat easy procedure only, but we have some idea how to find out how to apply the Kepler's theorem of three moments if we get more than two spans. For that purpose only I am solving this example. Okay, see here. So this is the equation. So first you have to apply the Kepler's theorem of three moments for span AB and BC. Okay, so because of the end moment your MA will be equal to 0. So I am taking 0 into L1 will be 0 plus 2 into MB. What about the span AB? 8 meters. L1 will be 8 meters. Similarly, span L2 will be 10 meters plus MC into again span BC. L2 will be 10 meters equal to, what about this W1? You just see here once again, 60 into L1 will be 8 cube by 4 plus W2 will be 40 into 8 cube by 4. You please simplify this one. 18 into 2 36 MB plus 10 MC. Again simplify this one. How many times it goes? So please make use of the calculators. Directly you will get the answer. So how much it will be? It will be around 17680. And again there is a chance of better simplifying here. It will goes around next step. It is better to cancel with 5. Two table, that is 18 MB plus 5 MC and 8840, and take down this equation as number 1. If you want you can simplify some more, no problem, but I think 5 is there. It is not possible to, if we simplify this one, but it is not possible to simplify this one. If you simplify you will get around some 3 point something like that, so no need to keep decimals like that. Take down this equation directly, and again go to the next step. Apply the Clapeyorn theorem of the spans B, C and C. I will take here only for span B, C and CD. Okay. So again take down this equation only. MB into L1 plus 2MC into L1 plus L2 plus MD into L2 equal to W1 L1 cube by 4 plus W2 L2 cube by 4. So like that you have to change this formula in terms of ABC. So BCD. Okay, I will take down this one directly like this. Again for MB you will get moment MB into, what about L2, which is 10. Again 2MC into L1 will be this span B and C, 10 plus 6. Similarly MD you will get 0 here, into L2 will be 0, and again W1 will be 40 kilonewton per meter into L1 will be 10 cube by 4. Similarly, plus W2 will be 80 into L2 will be 6 cube by 4. So again, better simplify this one. 10 MB plus 16 into 2, 32. 32 MC equal to, again simplify this one. So you see how much you will get here. If you simplify, you will get around 14320. Please check in your calculators and then you can take down the values exactly whatever obtained you, and then you can simplify by your own with the same procedure. If the values is incorrect, any value maybe I will miscalculate, you please find out that one also. Okay, so again simplify this one. You will get around 2 times 5 MB plus 16 times. Again how many times it will goes? 7160 times. So take down this equation as number 2. Okay, you got both the equations 1 and 2. See here, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So once we got the equations, simplify both the equations. So we know how to simplify equation 1 and 2 manually. So I will just explain one time. 12 18 MB plus 5 MC equal to 8840 first equation. Similarly 5 MB plus 16 MC equal to 7160. So these are the two equations. I think it is better to simplify by using your calculator. Even in the examination also your calci will be allowed, that is scientific calculator will be allowed for your semester examination. So it is best option to simplify these two equations by using your calculators. Otherwise what we have to do, we have to do like this. For example, you can multiply this one with 5 and we can multiply this one with 18, so you will get both MB value equal. So you will make this one 0, and whatever again here you can multiply with 5 means you will get 25, and again here 18 means you will get some more value for MC. So here you will get MC unknown. Whatever the MC unknown you will get, again substitute in the equation, you will get MB at that time. So if you do manually, it will take around some 5 to 10 minutes based on the uh, simplification. So my suggestion is better do with the calculators directly. You will get MB and MC values. So how you will get that one? I think you will get MB value will be equal to 401.667 and MC value will be equal to 321.977. Okay, somebody will be doing like this also. For example, I will take down this equation in terms of MB. So just to take down MB outside, that is MB will be equal to 17680 minus 10 MC divided by 36. So if you take down this equation, what you will do, MB will be equal to 8840 minus 5 MC by 18. So like that, take down MB one side and again substitute this MB value here in this equation. So you will get MC here. Like that somebody will do. So it is your wish. If you want simplification, you can do manually. Either otherwise you can go with the calculator. So we'll get directly the values MB and MC. Okay, once we obtain this value, what we will do? So your support moments we got. You can draw the diagram, BMD diagram. So I will draw BMD here. So MB will be 401.667, MC will be 321.997. You please remember these values, otherwise take down here. So we will go for that one directly. MB will be equal to 401.667 kilonewton meter. MC will be equal to 321.977 kilonewton meter. So you please better to draw the BMD for this one. So your MB will be equal to 401. So somewhere here, so 0 line, 401 positive somewhere here, and 321 MC will be somewhere lesser than 400. So you can draw the fixed bending moment diagram based on these values. Keep the reference points also, 401.6, 321.9. Okay, and after that we know the condition. Whenever you will get UDL on this span, the shape of the diagram, free bending moment diagram will be parabola, and the ordinates will have to find AB equal to WL square by 8. That one will be equal to 60 into 8 square by 8. So x 6 is 48, which you will get around 480 kilonewton meter. Okay, so this 480 will be higher than this one. So I will take up to this span B. So you see, I am drawing 480 kilonewton meter upwards. Okay, which is higher than this one. 401. Similarly, again for BC, what you will do, 40 into 10 square by 8, 1 times, 2 times, again 5. How much you will get? Around 500 kilonewton meter. So which is higher than this one? That one will be 500 kilonewton meter. And another one will be this CD, which is 80 into 6 square by 8, 1 times, 10 times, 360 kilonewton meter. So I will draw based on this ordinate. So 360 will be higher than this one and lower than this 400. Okay. So take down that one also. This one will be 360. And what about this one? 321.9. Okay. So this is the way we can draw the bending moment diagram, both free and fixed bending moment diagram. Again, if you want net values, what do we have to do? 480 minus average of this one, 401.6. So around you will get around 279. And again 500 minus average of these two, 401.6 plus 321.9. So first we can make average of these two, 401.6 plus 321.9 divided by 2. You will get ordinate here. In that you can minus this one, 500 minus that remaining value. So which around you will get 138, I think. So you please simplify, you make it correct. And again you please make average of these two also, 0 plus 321.9 by 2, around you will get some ordinate here. Again in that you can minus this one, 360 minus that obtained value, which around you will get 199. So these are the net bending moment values. This is the way how to find out the how to draw the bending moment diagram, how to find out the support moments from for the question. In the same way you can find out the support reactions also. So already in the last lecture, I shown very clearly how to find out the support reactions for the two span continuous beams VA and VB. In the same way, you can divide the spans individually, VA, VB, span AB, BC, CD, and find out support reactions individually. I will give the values VA, VB, VC. Okay, based on that, you please find out the support reactions also. And again draw the shear force diagram also. In the last lecture example 1 I shown very clearly how to draw the shear force diagram also. So what about VC? So I will give the VC value also. This is VB1 and VB2 will be equal to 207.99 kilonewton. Okay, VC1 will be equal to 192.03 kilonewton. VC2 equal to 293.66 kilonewton, and VD will be equal to 186.33 kilonewton. So these are the vertical reactions for the supports VA, VB, VC and VD. If you want VB directly, you can add VB1 plus VB2. So somebody will be doing on continuous beam like that only. They will take at a time two span, three spans like that. If you calculate based on individual span, how I did in the last lecture, previous in our channel also I did so many. I calculated so many vertical reactions for the slope deflection method, moment distribution method problems. So in the same way you can calculate, you will get vertical reactions A, B, C, D individually, and again based on that you can draw the diagram. So I will give the rough diagram also how you will get for these values. So practice one time, definitely will get. So you please confirm with the values also. So for this one, again I will show how you will get roughly the diagram will be. So this is the reference line. So 180 will be, so here 180, 189.7 will be acting upwards up to here. Again 60 into 8, 480 kilonewton, 6 8 48. 480 will be acting downwards. Upward will be how much? 189.79. 0.79 minus 480. How much you will get? You will get around 290.21. So somewhere here which is negative, somewhere here. Okay, downward side. You can add these two. So it is better to write down. This is 199. This is 290.21. And again we are at VB. Again from VB upward load which is 290 will be acting. Up to here it will exactly meets. So this is the straight line. You also please draw the straight line. And again VB2 will be 207 again acting upwards which is 207.99. So I am drawing roughly. And again we are at here which is 207.99. Again 40 into 10, 400 kilometer load will be acting downwards. So that is 207.99 minus 400 load. So how much you will get around? You will get around 192.03. So in the negative side, okay. So which is lesser than this one, you take somewhere here and you can add these two. Okay. And again, what about this VC1? We are at here. Again at C, vertical reaction at C will be acting upward, which is 192, which is upward straight line. And again VC2 will be acting 293. Again positive side upwards. I am going straight here, which is higher than this one. Okay, we are at here. So the value will be around how much? 293 point something, 0.66. Clear? And again 80 into 6, 8 6 jaw 48. 480 kilonewton load will be acting downwards, which is negative, and this 293 load. Okay, upward will be positive, downward will be negative. So overall, how much you will get? 186.33, which is downward load. So which is lesser than this one? I am taking somewhere here, and I am drawing these two. So we are at D. To take down this one will be 192. This one will be 186.33. So we are at a D. Again upward load will be acting, which is positive, exactly 186.33. So exactly it will meet at the D position, which is at the 0th line. This is the way how to draw this. So all these are the positive and the bottom will be the negative. This is the way how you can draw the shear force diagram along with the calculation. You please practice in this way. It is very easy to draw in this method.